Want to use the Print Then Cut feature in Cricut Design Space? No worries. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Launch Cricut Design Space and click on New Project to begin. Step 2. Upload any image to your design space that you want to print and cut. Step 3. Click on Make It. Step 4. Press the Continue button. Step 5. Select the Send to Printer option. Note: make sure your printer is powered on and connected to your device. Step 6. If your printer is already connected to your device, Design Space will automatically detect it during the setup. Step 7. Keep the Add Bleed toggle on if you want a slight border around your design to avoid white edges after cutting, or leave it off if you don't need it. Step 8. Click on Print. Step 9. Wait for your printer to finish printing your image. If you've made it this far, great job. Step 10. Return to Cricut Design Space and select the same base material that you used to print your image. Step 11. The Cricut Design Space app will prompt you to load your tools and materials. Note: ensure your cutting tool is properly loaded into your Cricut machine before starting the cut. Step 12. Place the printed image onto your Cricut cutting mat. Step 13. Load the mat into your Cricut machine as you normally would, ensuring it aligns with the guides. Step 14. Press the Go button to start cutting. Step 15. Once the cutting is complete, unload the mat and carefully weed out the excess paper from around your design. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.